In this video, we will discuss how to spot phishing emails. You've probably seen these in your inbox in the past, asking for personal information to verify a purchase. In some cases, you may even get emails about job opportunities that are fake as well, and they will require that you submit your social security number to apply for the job. A common example of phishing emails are those from a prince in a faraway land telling you that they need to wire you money or something. They are usually riddled with typos. Most of the time, your email provider will try and filter scams to your spam junk folder, but occasionally one slips through the cracks and will find its way to your actual inbox. Scam emails will always try to get some sort of personal information from you that, if accessed by another person or system, will bring harm to your identity, your bank account, and other accounts you may have credit card information on. There are many different kinds of phishing emails, and it's important to know how to spot them. Let's take a look at this email from Apple support letting me know my Apple ID has been locked. In order to unlock my account, I need to verify that it is in fact my account. First of all, it doesn't tell me why it's locked. Most of the time, an actual company will say an account was locked due to suspicious activity or give you some reason and almost never actually email you, let alone tell you your account will be suspended. This email is also trying to instill fear that I may lose my account if I don't verify my credentials in a timely manner. This is done in hopes that you don't try and figure out if the email is a scam or not. The most obvious place to spot that this is a phishing email is the sender email address. It's just a bunch of random numbers and letters put together and does not look like an official Apple email. Next would be the link to unlock my account. When I hover over the link, the bottom of my browser displays the web address it would take me to. Definitely not the Apple website. If I were to click on it, it would take me to a page that looks very similar to this Apple login page. Clicking on links in phishing emails can do harm to your computer. They may contain viruses made specifically to crash your system and steal information. If the scammers did an excellent job at making the email look as official as possible, there are other ways to double check. Are there typos? Did they start the email with "Dear Client" or "Dear Customer," not your name? When in doubt, go to the official company website, log in, and verify everything is okay. Apple has a section on their website to help you navigate what emails are fake and which ones are from them. You can always double check if the official website has information about how to tell if an email from them is real or fake. To summarize, here are some tips for spotting phishing emails. The domain name contained within the email address differs from the real company. The link included takes you to a web page that is not part of the official company's website. There are typos and grammatical errors in the email. And here are some points that you should always handle with care, meaning verify it's legitimate before taking any action. The email asks for you to provide personal information. The email asks for you to update or change your account info, such as changing your password. The email asks for you to verify personal information. If you come across a phishing email, you can report it as a phishing email to your email service provider. Just Google how to do so. For example, how to report phishing email for Gmail. Companies will never ask you to email your password. Personal information requested by companies such as banks are typically uploaded to their website. Before clicking on suspicious links or taking any action on potential phishing emails, always make sure your email is official and never give out any personal information.